Let's talk facts. You're posting content. You're building your audience, but where's the money? Because if you're creating just for the sake of creating, you're leaving serious income on the table. The real game isn't just about building a brand. It's about monetizing that brand in a way that feels natural, sustainable, and actually makes sense for you. So today, I'm showing you the step-by-step system to turn your personal brand into a money-making machine without selling your soul, spamming people, or feeling like a scammy guru. This is the real blueprint I wish someone gave me when I just started. So, let's get started with this. Making money online comes to these three key methods. If you get this right, my friend, you will never have to worry about how to make money with your content again. So, the first method of this is audience first, then monetization second. If you're not solving problem, you're not making money, period. So, you need to solve a problem. To make money, people follow you for value, not for random entertainment. Exercise. Write down 3 things your audience asks you about the most. This is where your money is. The second key method is to choose your monetization path. So, we have 3 options. Option 1, coaching and consulting. Option 2, digital products. And option 3, brand and partnership. If you are good at something, people will pay you to teach them. Digital products are ebooks, templates, courses, brand partnership and sponsorships. If brands see influence, they will pay you for it. The third key method is to leverage systems to scale. How to leverage them? You can't just hustle forever. You need systems. Next up, automation is your best friend. Why? You need to set up sales page, email funnels, and passive income streams. Most creators struggle to make money online because they are selling the wrong thing or they don't even know what to sell. Step 1. The problem solution formula. If people are asking for your advice, that means they are willing to pay for a solution. If people ask, how do I edit my videos faster. Sell a mini course on a fast editing techniques. If people ask, how do I grow my TikTok account? Sell a content strategy guide. Step 2. Packaging and pricing. Don't overcomplicate it. People pay for clarity and results, not for a 50 hours course. Formula. Mini course or ebook, 20 to 50 pounds. One-on-one coaching, $100 plus. Full program, 500 plus. Step 3. Create urgency and scarcity. People buy when they feel like they will miss out if they don't. Strategies, limited spots, launch discounts, bonuses. Example for this is a countdown timer on a sales page. People don't buy products, they buy stories. If you want people to trust you, you need to build a connection first. Step 1. Your hero's journey. Every good brand story follows struggle, discovery, transformation, solution for others. I was broke and struggling to grow until I cracked the content formula. Now I'm helping others to do the same. Step 2. The emotional hooks. Facts tell, but stories sell. Share real-life experience, personal transformations, or something like that. The third step is the call to action that converts. Your audience won't take action unless you tell them what to do. Just comment growth in the comments and I will send you the link. So my friends, at this point you know how to make money. Now let's make it passive. How? We have 2 steps. Step 1. Sales funnels and automation. Set up landing pages, email lists, and automated DMs sell for you 24/7. Scaling with content and ads. Use content as free marketing. Every viral post should drive people to your offer. Targeting ads for people who didn't buy yet. You now have the full blueprint to monetize your brand and make money from your story. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment with what you're launching next and I will give you my feedback. And if you want my exact template and scripts, hit the link below. Let's go!